Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com. There's a significant development this evening regarding the dependents of CARICOM nationals. Spouses and dependents of CARICOM nationals who relocate to other member states will now be entitled to access several benefits. The details were announced yesterday at the final day of the CARICOM Heads of Government meeting in Montego Bay. With the details, here's Giovanni Dennis.
The heads of the CARICOM member states all gathered in Montego Bay, St. James for the final day of the summit, hoping to send a signal that the meeting was not just a talk fest. There's a result that will have far-reaching implications for the region. Spouses and dependents of CARICOM nationals who relocate to other member states will now be entitled to access benefits such as health and education services. These benefits were denied in the past, and it had a negative impact on families. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who is also the chairman of CARICOM, hailed the new development.
We have guaranteed these rights through the Protocol on Contingent Rights that we have just signed a few minutes ago. This is a matter that has been long outstanding and is a major step that should encourage greater use of the free movement regime as it ensures greater level of comfort and peace of mind for families.
The Prime Minister and the heads of the other member states suggested that they are in a hurry to deliver substantial benefits to the people of the region. As a result, certain timelines are in place. For example, by December 31, issues surrounding the free movement of skilled workers should be finalized.
And this conference has recommitted to the free movement of skills and has agreed that all states by the 31st of December 2018 would have put in place the necessary legislative framework to facilitate all 10 approved categories of skills.
Another major problem addressed was the thorny issue of refusal of entry in the respective member states. A standard policy should be in place come August 1.
This will safeguard the rights of all community nationals moving across the region. A matter of note this is a matter that is of great importance to many.
It was also announced that simplification is coming for the certification of skilled workers. There was a pledge to implement concrete measures to reap benefits from the CARICOM single market and the economy, such as establishing an integrated capital market and passing securities legislation. A special meeting on the CSME is set for November. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.